Welcome again to our channel Physics Galaxy. So this problem in Ask TFR 2022. This problem is two particles as specified in the table below both enter a region of uniform magnetic field in a direction perpendicular to the field direction. So the rest mass and kinetic energy for the alpha and deuteron are given. If both the particles that follow the circular trajectories in the magnetic field, so the ratio of their the time periods for one full revolution must be. So here the fourth option are given. So now the particle in a motion of the circular motion in a magnetic field. So we know that this is the m v square by r equal to QVB. So that is the central centripetal force, that is the mv square by r equal to QVB. V is the magnetic field here and v is the velocity of the particle and r is the radius of the circular path, and m also mass of the particle and q charge of the particle. So now we get the value of v by r. So that means mv by r equal to qb. So again v by r equal to q by mb. Okay, so find the time period. So time period equal to 2 pi r divided v, and v by r value is qb by m. So put this value, so that is actually m by qb. So then this is 2 pi by b m by cube. So this is the time period. Here the magnetic field, in case both are same, so that means T is proportional to m by cube. So here the B is a constant, so T is proportional to m by cube. So the ratio of the time period T alpha and T deuteron equal to m alpha divided by q alpha multiply q deuteron m deuteron. So m alpha by md multiply qd by q alpha, and also known as the mass of the alpha particle is the 4m and deuteron particle is 2m. So put the value, this is the 4m and mass of deuteron, that is the 2m, and charge is E and q alpha charge is 2e. So the calculate of the T alpha by Tt is equal to 1. Okay, so the ratio of time period T alpha and T deuteron equal to 1. Okay, so the correct option of this problem, option D.